Hello guys, me again. Thank you guys for your response. My last video actually is went viral, and as I promised to uh, talk about OPT and STEAM OPT expiration. Um, s- what is actually OPT is like? OPT is like stand for optional practical training. There's two different kind of OPT. One will be the pre-completion OPT, and the next one will be post-completion OPT. So for the pre-completion OPT, you need to stay here at least 1 year lawfully, and then you can apply for pre-completion OPT when you are in school and doing your full-time semester. So you can work at least 20 hours, no more than 20 hours, by 20 hours or less than 20 hours a semester, and during the break time, you can work full-time it at anywhere. And another one is post-completion OPT. That's actually when you finish your associate or bachelor's or whatever the master's, you have 1 year of post completion OPT, where you can work in your related field 1 year. After that, you can apply for a STEAM OPT extension, which we talk about in our next video. So what and when should we apply for OPT? First of all, when you need to apply at least 90 days before your graduation. Suppose you are graduating in fall, so it's most likely your semester will finish in December 20 to 22nd. So in that case, you have to apply for OPT in September, which is 90 days before. After that, you can start working 60 days after your graduation. So in that case, you can extend your stay for a long time. 2 months you will already stay extending. So overall altogether it will be 12 months. And what documents do you need to apply for OPT? First and foremost, you need form I-765 and a check or money order for $410, which is payable to Department of Homeland Security. A photocopy of every single I-20s you ever issued since you came here, and since today, how many I-20 you have, you need to make a copy of all of those. And also your I-94 photocopy, and also your passport, which is include your name, passport expiration date, and your recent F1 visa. Also, have you ever issued any work authorization card? You have to make a copy of them and send it as well. Also, you need two recent passport size photos. The photo measurement will be in the description. So I believe it's 2 inch by 2 inch, but you guys always check my descriptions and make sure that you do the right things. And one more things that when you after that, what should you do? So in that case, when you apply your OPT, I'll give you the address on the description as well. So where you guys living in depends. You guys chose the address. Most likely New York. Students who live in New York and tri-state area, they will send Louisville, Texas. And who's guy living in California or somewhere else, they have a different address. So I'll post everything in the descriptions. And what type of work you do on your OPT? So it has to be your related fields. It doesn't matter you get paid or not. Is it internships or is a volunteer? It doesn't matter, but it has to be your field. And then uh, once you apply, the USCIS will send you an email where you can find a link or an ID and password as well. In this called the Save portal, where you have to update your activities and which company are you working for right now and what date to what date. So in that case, the USCIS will track your movement. So all those really small things, then you have to bear in mind, because if you miss anything, there's USCIS will send you letter, and then you will be terminated. So all those things, to get a job for OPT, you need to at least 90 days when your OPT started, you need to have something, and you need to update your CVICE portal within 90 days. After 90 days, your OPT will automatically terminated. But there is other way in your DSO can explain much better than there. So that's all, actually. That's all you need to know. And then make sure that if you change your companies on OPT, you mention in your SAFE portal, because SAFE portal is really important. This is the government portal. That's the way government can track your movement. So make sure you change your SAFE portal and check your service portal periodically. And one more thing, they make sure that you sign your I-20s, because I heard lots of people they get denied because they didn't sign their I-20s. So so make sure you have your sign on each and every I-20s. I believe that the videos help you. Just check the descriptions, and I'll post the same video based on STEAM OPT, how you to do the STEAM OPT and how to extend your OPT through the STEAM process and all of that. So thank you guys, and thanks for watching.